Hello and welcome to another YouTube video from Wrong Their Life is Art. I'm here with a mini journal for you today, and the main kit that I've used is from Calico Collage by Norella, and it's called Dreams of Paris. It's a freebie kit that she offers, I think, on her blogspot. I don't know if it's from her website, if she's got a website and if it's from there as well or not, but if I find, I'll check and I'll add the link in the description below. I printed this kit when she first released this freebie to us on Junk Journal Junkies and her own Facebook page. Printed it out, set up the journal, and then I've totally forgotten about it. So while I was cleaning my craft area, I've come across it again, so I thought I'd better finish it off. It's a full-size kit, but I've shrunk it down, and I've luckily found this box that it fit into as well. So it measures 3.5 by 4 3/4, and it's, I'd say, about just under 2.5 inches deep. Now what I've done is I have mixed in a few of Artemis and Tsunami Rose design, but I've stuck mainly to Calico Collage's kit. This is from Tsunami Rose, and the only reason I stuck that onto the cover was because this butterfly went perfectly with the cover of the journal. That's just some fun fibre. And I've got a candy dot there, and the bottom it had some writing on, so what I've done is I've just put that pink card on and I've stuck the title of the kit as well, Dreams of Paris. So that's the journal in there. So that's the cover. I've stuck a wooden embellishment on there, and I stuck the title across there again. That's an X cut, I think, punch that I used. That's the spine, and it has a gold charm of the Eiffel Tower attached. It's 3-hole pamphlet stitch, 5 signatures. I think there was about 10 pages per signature, giving you 20 sides each. So lots of journaling space, even though it is a small journal. Eyelet and organza closure. You can see all these fibres as well. Hope I'm on screen. This is an Artemis freebie that was offered on Junk Journal Junkies. Now Artemis has opened up a website, so I'm sure she'll have added them there as well if you want to download them and use them. There's quite a few different designs. This is the Calico Collage set, and I've just added a bit of lace there. That was some scrapbook paper, and I think these were just some offcuts that I used. I can't remember. You'll see there's some offcuts, so I think it was a 6x6 paper pad that I took them from, some leftovers. All the pages have been tea stained. This is the sleeve of the After 8 chocolates. I thought it was, because of the size of the journal, I just thought it worked out perfectly as a little pocket. That's a shrunk down Tsunami Rose library card, and that's a Tsunami Rose postcard. I've attached them in with using washi tape and their little flip out pages. Now this is the same kit as the inside cover, the scrapbook papers. I haven't stuck these down, so you've got little pockets there for little bits and pieces. If that's not to your taste, just add some glue or tape and stick it down. Little doily there, tuck spot. That's the store-bought tag. And I've just added the reinforcers that have been distressed with Tim Holtz. Black soot ink. There's a little foil butterfly that I had in my stash that I've added there. Some mini envelopes, and I cut down, excuse me, just had to clear my throat. I cut down some index cards and I created these little tabs on my envelope punch board. And just stuck some card and some of the ephemera pieces that also got shrunk down as well. I think that looks quite cute. I have 5 paper clips in this journal, 3 pink and 2 green. And the pink ones I've just added some of this fun fibre onto. That's a Tsunami Rose bingo card, and you've got journaling spot behind. Now, I don't want this video being too long, so I'll try flipping through it a little bit quicker. Once you have to explain the first signatures, the others are the same. Those are just some bead dangles that I've attached to the signature thread. That's doubled pink crochet thread that I used. Again, scrapbook paper. I've not glued it completely down so you've got pockets. And this is the other side of the envelope with the tab that I've cut again using the envelope punch board. Doily with the postcard and this Calico Collage ephemera. And just punched a butterfly with some bling there. Same goes for that again. These were some misprints from Tsunami Rose's tags that she offers, and they came out in pink, but I thought it just went well with everything, so I just added a lace pocket and popped it into that with some green foam fibres. So that's the end of the first signature. Oh, the rest are quite similar as well, so there's that tag with some washi tape. Flip out there, scrapbook paper. That's part of the kit as well, the journal kit. I think that would look really nice in a sewing journal as well, which I'm also working on. Envelope with the green index card. I've alternated the colours, so you've got pinks and greens. Another bingo card. There's the misprinted tags and Calico Collage's ephemera from the kit. Looks like vintage ephemera. That's the scrapbook paper with the pocket again. These are some of the ephemera pieces from the kit. So I've attached them as well to, in lots of places. I didn't leave them as tuck spots, but with it being a small journal anyway, so have a lace pocket, flip out page again. Store-bought tag in the doily. And this is the centre of this book, so I added a little fabric piece embellishment for you to attach wherever you want. And there's another bingo card there from Tsunami Rose. I like that image of the Eiffel Tower. Postcard and the Calico Collage ephemera piece. There's lots of journaling space and still lots of room for you to decorate it yourself. I just didn't do too much because I didn't want it getting too bulky. There's another one of those pieces from Calico Collage in here, and again that would look really nice in a sewing journal too. Cute little images. I like some of the way the stainings happened on these. Because I oven baked them as well. That one was just a small piece, and then I just stuck the title onto that to create this little journal card. And that's another one of the misprinted. I call it misprinted, but I'd call it's happy accident as well. That's part of the ephemera pieces. Look at these images. My printer's just a very basic printer and it still prints out really nice as well, and that's a, if you have a better printer or maybe a laser printer, they'd look so much more clearer. This is the last signature and we're nearing the end here. And that's another one of the After Eight chocolate sleeves that you have. I thought it'd just be really nice as a pocket again. And this is an envelope from the kit, and it comes with that, these little journaling cards. I printed them on paper just to reduce the book instead of doing it on card. And these pieces, these are ephemera pieces as well on both these pockets from the kit too. So, and that's the end. I had to end with that. So I hope you like what I've done with your kit, Norella. It's a gorgeous kit, and I know you've had another release as well in your Etsy store, and I'm sure this kit will work really nice with that. It'll add a few extra pages to the journal. So that's your little book in a box or journal in a box. Fits in nicely there. If I can get the charm to work. It always happens when you're filming, isn't it? Anyway, thanks for watching. I might pop that up in Etsy, and I'll be back very soon with another video. Take care and bye.